morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. Alright, I have shown you this Medeco, and I had this core was in it before. I picked it to control, so I swapped cores, and now I got what I wanted. I got a working key, and what I did is this is the old core that I took out, so I repinned it, just the top. I want to show you guys. I'm going to see how much of a difference it makes being repinned. So I'm going to try picking it. Let's put it in there. I think the lighting's pretty good. Put these Medicos over here. I'm going to use this heavy tension wrench because it fits in there nice. Also, for you guys that pick Medicos or whatever, there is a pick that you get. You see it's got this little notch in it. It helps when you're lifting and twisting. It catches. It's just a help. I mean, I'm also going to use this one here. It's a lot thinner. Doesn't have a hook on it though. So let's see what he's going to do to get into this. All right. I got some nice packages on the way. I can't wait to show you this. All right, here we are. You know what? I don't like the lighting here. I need to move this with this. It's just I got it working with a magnet now. Okay, I guess we're good. Okay. Going clockwise. Here we go. 6 pins. Okay, that was 1. 2 is not binding yet. 3 is binding. Trying to feel that groove. Okay, 2. 3 is binding. Okay, 4 is good. 5, I got a little click there. And 6, last pin. This is tight. 6 is binding. Nice, very nice. There, nice. I think I went back to 5 and touched that. All right, to the beginning. That was 1. That feels good. That definitely feels like it might be set. 2. I got to unplug this. My hand is blocking the light. All right, I got to readjust. Don't fall, please. Much better. Okay, might be a little bit of a glare. All right, I forget where is that. And I'm so close to the camera that I'm hitting it. Starting again on 1. Okay, got that little click. And it feels good. 2 is binding. Come on. There we go. 2, 3. That fell right in. 4. Binding. Okay, all right. Felt something moving here. Didn't it just felt like something moved. What can I say? I think that was 4, 5, good, and 6. Crunchy. I made it crunchy. Nice. Got a little bit of movement in here. Back to beginning. 1 still feels good. 2. 2 feels alright. 3 is binding. Come on. Turn it a little. There we go. Got some turn in my fingers there. I think that was 3, 4. Feels like it's binding. Nice. 5 is binding now. Come on. Turn. There we go. And 6. Really is tight. Nice, very nice. I'm going to try this thinner pick. See if it helps me a little bit. Oh God, that's like driving a VW into a giant tunnel. All right. I lost the feeling. No, I'm going back. I have a. I just have a feeling in this pick. It's just. There we go. I think that was 2. 1, 2. Okay, 3. I'm getting some counter rotation. Nice, nice. It did move. 3. I'm getting another counter rotation. Okay. 4. 9. Oh! Ooh, did you see that? I saw it, Mr. Easy. Yeah, you haven't got no eyes anyway. Thanks. I don't know what it was on. 4, I think. Let me just go through this. We're towards the end. This has got to be 5. Nice. Very, very nice. I felt that slide in. And the last pin. Come on. 6. And I got some more movement out of this. Back to the beginning. One, 2. Light on my attention just a little bit on 3. Ah! Something fell. I'm starting from the beginning. Something like almost felt like 2 pins. It was a heavy. There we go. There's 1. This light. That was 2. 3 feels good. 4 binding. Nice. Nice. If you guys are watching the tension wrench, you saw that move. Keep your eye on the tension wrench. That's the only way that was 5. And last pin. Really, that's the tough one to get with this pick. I'm touching the side of the wall, so I'm losing the feeling. Nice. This moved a little bit. Beginning. That was the 1 again. Nice. That was like a triple. I really put some crunchies in here. That feels good now. I think that was 1, 2, 3. All right, we're on 4. Feels good. 5 is binding. Get some counter rotation. Nice. Okay, number 6. On 6. Come on, counter rotation. Okay, that's good. It felt good. See, 1. Keep on getting it. 1, 2, and that feels good. 3. Wow, did you hear that? Double, double. You're going to be amazed at the pins I put in there. And yes, I feel it's more difficult than the last time I picked it for sure. Okay, I think I'm on 5. Counter rotation. Nice! Did you see that? Yeah, I'm in a deep falset for this lock. I love it. Deep falset. Okay, we're on 6. Nice. Back to beginning. 1 feels good. 2 feels good. 3 is binding. Nice. Now it's good. 4. Come on. Counter rotation. Yeah! Woo!
That was easy. That was easy.
That is crazy.
That was easy.
Woo! What do you say, Mr. Easy?
That was easy.
Yeah, it was pretty sick, wasn't it? Oh, let me get this out of there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Let me. I'm loving it. Yeah, I gotta do something with this stand. Yeah. That was for you guys out there. Definitely a tougher pick. I say. Let's see what we got here. Get all this junk out of the way. Got a pin I don't need. Put that shim there because I'm going to use it. Alright. What do I do? I am so excited. I went up this. Oh, sorry. This clipper remover will work on here. Come on now. Don't make Rory laugh at me. Oh, yeah. Do that again. Yeah, that hurts. Ow, ow, ow. Did you like that? Yeah. Oh, that shot. Alright, I'll find that in a minute. Oh my god. Alright, where's that shim I put off to the side? Here we go. Boy, that is tight. I gotta look around. Okay, need right there. Well, let me. Am I zoomed? Stop. Now. Okay. You guys got this very close. Come on, shim. Uh-oh. Houston, stand by. Very, very, very tough. But here it comes. Do we have a sidebar in here? I think I got it. Get this. Hold it, hold it. Don't need that. Alright. Alright. First thing I want to do is take the sidebar off because I don't want to lose these springs. I need some of these. You can see how tiny that spring is at the end. There's one on each side. I'm going to put it right there. There you go. Oh, see, that spring you can see right upside already fell off. All right, so let's see what we got in here. One. Okay, it's got a wafer in it and a standard. Number two, a wafer. Damn it. Alright, got that there. Three, where the wafer came out. I don't think I touched the key pins. Okay, one, three, and the standard. You should all have a wafer in it, I believe. Then again, I've been wrong. This one doesn't look like it has a wafer. It most certainly doesn't. Number 5, no wafer. So I guess I did eliminate some of it. And 6, we have, okay, never mind. That wafer fell in there, there, and there. Okay, there's only one without a wafer, I believe. Sure enough. Okay, they're all right. Let me put this down. Get my tweezer. There, there, there. This is the fat wafer on top here. Alright, so we got that. I didn't do anything as far as threading the Bible. I didn't want to go that far, ruining the lock. And then again, I don't ruin locks. I make them better. I'm going to pull back a little. Hold it down. Okay, let me just move it out a little. Alright, these are the pins I've changed. Number 1. Is a barrel type of pin. I mean, it's not a barrel type. It's a like a spool because it's got a big space in there and 2 heavy ends. So we'll call it spoolish. You know, I started picking locks. I didn't think I was going to go through this. I didn't want to gut. I didn't want to do any of that stuff. I just wanted to pick locks. But as I went on, it was kind of like, hey, man, you know what? I see you open it, but yeah, do some gutting or something. So that's why I did it. I'm not that good at it, really. This is another one. Spool in there. 2 ends. Copper spring coming. Number 2. Number 3. Okay, put another spool in there. Another copper spring. I didn't change the springs either. Okay. Number 4, a very tiny spool, or tinier, if you want to say it that way. And another copper spring. I should go from the other side because I can. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, yeah. Here's one of the really nice ones I made. I'll show you in a minute. Serrated. I think it's a really nice looking pin. I like it. It does its job. And the spring's stuck. Not going to bother. And the last one there is a bigger spool in here. So they're all spoolish except for this. This is what I made crunchy. So let me get the other springs out of there. That's that one. You can see. Yeah, hell with it. Here's my probe. I'll use this. Alright. It's in there. Where? Oh, where? Here. Why? Why? There we go. Yeah. Not that it matters. On it. Calm down. Take a breath. Okay. All right. Let me give you a definite close-up of the pins. Take it out. As far as I didn't do any work to the Bible either, so again, the core anti-drill pins, and then where my thumbs are. Thumb, plural. No, that's singular. All right. One's upside down. Bottom pins are all standard. Okay, they all have wafers of different sizes on them, except for number 4. Right, and you can see they are different. First one is a spool. The second one's a tapered down. It's like a bottle, but upside down. It's tapered in. So is the 3. It's tapered down, but no, it's got a back end on it. 2 doesn't. 3 does. So 3 is a spool. 4 is definitely a spool. You can see both ends on that. 5 is a spool. And where's my 6 pin? Oops, there it is. It's just playing games with me. Jumped over a spot. Give you a close up at that one. So there it is. That's what I did. I picked it. All the springs are the same. I got that Medeco open. I guess I could have put different pins in there, but I definitely like the spoolish ones. So thank you very much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend, and don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Thank you guys. Have a great night, day, whatever. I am gone.